Good morning, everybody. FAFO Weekend Adventures here. Some of you have been asking about my videos on the Jeeps, so I'm going to go ahead and do this one here. And what I'm going to be doing today is I re-geared a couple months ago, and if you do know, once you re-gear, you're supposed to change the gear oil at 500 miles. I haven't done so I'm going to go ahead and do that today. I need to take these bolts off, so let me go get all my tools and get this going. And also, I do have a leak here, so I'm gonna have to put some, what do you call it, the plumber's tape. And I see a little bit of oil here, so we'll take care of that while we're doing this. First thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna break the drain plug, the bottom drain plug, so I can get whatever gear oil I can get out of here. But of course, I'm gonna need the oil pan. That I have the oil pan in place, I'm gonna see what this oil looks like and if it has any metal in the magnet. So let's take a look at this. It's got a strong smell, which normally does. Well, it doesn't look too bad. As you can see, it's not black or anything. Gotta get it to drop right in the hole here. Just be a little bit easier to clean up. Doesn't look bad. So far, I don't see anything in it. Let's see how this looks. Let me get a here and see. Oh, there's a lot of metal shavings in here. Let me show you real quick so you can see what it looks like if this is your first time with me. It's my first time doing this, so let me show you here. Here is a plug that just came off. And as you can see, there's a bump here. That bump is not supposed to be, they're supposed to be flat. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off so you can see. See all this? Look at this. This is all metal shavings. See how flat it is now? I'm sorry about that. See how flat it is now? Let's see, I gotta get this thing to zoom in. You can see the top here. See how it's full of shavings? Look at that. That's why you have this metal. And go ahead and here and clean this better because as you can see, it's not cleaned too good. You find a way to clean this. I think I'm gonna get a small screwdriver and just go around the edges here without damaging anything. I want to show you here. Here's the rag, and as you can see, it's absorbing its metal shavings. Here's the big clunk of it. I'm gonna fix this camera with this autofocusing thing here. Sorry about that. Let me adjust this autofocusing again. See if maybe I can get it right. So give me a second. Alright, I changed the settings in the camera, so let's see if this will work. As you can see here, I guess it's probably as close as I can get it. These are metal shavings that came out, but it's all good. It's draining out now, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out the other screws. I have to get the other tools here. Those of you that are kind of curious, this is a 3/8. 3/8 is what I use for here, and I'm going to use for here. And then for the little one, I'm going to be using, where did I put it? I didn't put it away, which I think I did. Oh jeez. Put it out here, and I think I put it away. Could it be this one? This one looks too big. Nope. What a dumbass. Where is the other one? Let's see. Could it be this one? Nope. Alright, where's the other one? I think I might have to go back to my toolbox because my dumb ass took it out from here. Give me a second. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put the clean magnet lug back on. Just a few turns because I need to move the oil pan out of the way so I can get in here and take these screws out. Oh, come on, what the fuck? Time you think the job's gonna be easy. It's not easy. YouTube makes everybody seem everything gets done in 5 minutes or less. In reality, it takes longer. But I'm gonna go ahead and move this back because, as you can see, alright, sorry about that. I was saying, some of these, you don't have the proper tools. It becomes a pain in the ass to take these nuts lugs out of here. They're not even called lugs. So I don't know what the fuck they're called. You wanna make sure you don't strip none of these, so I can't even get this one in here. Let's see if I can get it in here without any issues. So I've been having issues. Alright, so it's in there. I'm not gonna bore you. Taking all these lugs, and that says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's about 12. Give me a second. Alright, there was a YouTube second. Took them all off. I got the last one, so I want to see if this is gonna pour out like it normally does, as you see on TV or in other YouTube videos. I got the last one. Let's see if this is gonna. There we go. Easier to take off than the other video I did. Let me go ahead and lay this down, and then we can go ahead and inspect the ears. Let me get another rag. Let me clean these. I don't want to dirty my expensive camera here. But as you can see there, it's kind of cruddy. See it? That's like metal debris there. Look at the way it is. So it turns colors. I'm not no expert, but I know what it is. Let me move it over here so we can get underneath. What is this blue stuff here? Alright, so as we go closer here, see if I can get the flashlight and go into here and inspect a little more. Even though I don't know what I'm looking at, but here's what it looks like inside. For all you mechanics that know more than I do, because I don't know shit about gears and Jeeps and stuff. That's what it looks like inside. So Ron, if you're watching, hopefully I'm doing this right. I'm gonna go in here and clean this because I know it's pretty dirty. Give me a second. I gotta get some brake cleaner and clean this out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean in here. You can see it drip out. See all the metal shavings you can see coming out? I know I can. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Just want to clean it out, dry it out, let it sit for a bit before you put everything back together. Alright, once you spray it out, you want to make sure it dries real good. Then you want to come in here too with a clean rag and clean it. Why? Because look at this. Look at this. Look at all the gunk that's in here. Are you watching this? Look at all this gunk that's in here. And there's a little gap right here, as you can see. Everything just seems to settle in there. Kind of hard to get in there. You put something in there to soak it up. There. So you want to get a couple rags. Look at this. I'm still getting stuff up. That was a piece of metal right there. Did you hear that come out? See all the stuff coming out? This is why you want to spray real good. Get all this gunk up here. It's hard to get your finger in there with that here and there, but try to do as much as you can. I'm feeling up in here, making sure there's nothing. That one piece that came out a little while ago. But that's supposed to be kind of normal, I guess, from my understanding. Alright, I'm just going to let the clean it dry and go ahead and look in here. What I'm looking at, but the cleaner dry out. And this is why mechanics charge so much. People want to bitch and moan. That's too much money. Or you're going to sit there and do it? Because then when you do it, what happens? You wish you would have paid somebody to do it. Because that's what always happens. People don't want to spend the money until they start doing it. And then they'll say, I'll pay next time. Well, it's too late now. But you clean out everything real good. You gotta use a bunch of rags. Use a bunch of rags. Just get all that stuff out of there. I'm finding pieces of metal in here. So I'm trying to clean out. See, that's what I don't like. There's a little hump here. Seems like everything's getting caught up in there. Look at the shavings. You see my shiny finger? If I move it around. I look like the little girls and shit. Alright, I think this is gonna be the best I'm gonna do. Make sure this is all smooth here before I try reinstalling the gasket and everything else. Let's see. You might be able to see better than I can because I can't get in there. How does that look? See if I can get you. Does that look pretty good in there? Does it look pretty clean? I think so. Maybe we can start mounting. Let it dry some more before we go ahead and start. This is another reason why you're supposed to clean out after 500 miles. You see all these little specks? That's all metal pieces, metal shavings. That's what that is, except for this one. But clean everything out, including the cover. Some spray. Alright, spread it out, let it dry. I can put all this shit back together. Alright, I cleaned it out with some cleaner, as you can see. Put the gasket back on, wiped down the gasket. Came in here, made sure that it's clean, went into crevices, cleaned out real good, dried it out. I'm gonna wait a few more minutes and then we're gonna go ahead and install the bolts and start putting it back together. Sorry I didn't record of putting the nuts back in, but they're all in. I just put them in tight, diagonally. And then I put a little plumber's tape on here because I was always having a leak. I didn't put none here, I should have. But let's go ahead and fill up the oil and we're done. And if you're wondering what I'm going to put in my diff, it's a Royal Purple 75W140 max gear with some Centrilic. Let me go ahead and start pouring this in here. Hopefully I don't have a hard time. Alright, let me see if I can do this. I had a pump and I can't find it. Probably threw it away. Let's clean the garage. I always throw everything away before it's working. Alright, here's stuff that I'll show you on YouTube. I had to stop everything, run down to AutoZone and get me a quart and gallon fluid pump because I couldn't get the bottle to turn over too much gas tanks in the way. So let's go ahead and put this little, so I'm using a longer one. These shorter ones, there's 2 of them in here, so it's gonna go right in here. This in here. This is gonna go down in the bottle. And it's for you guys that never done this. Some of the other ones are like, why are you showing me this? This is so stupid. But, oh well. So let me put the camera over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start feeding this right in here. I seen I had one of these a while back. I don't know what happened to it. I don't know if I lent it to somebody or, but I know exactly what happened. I probably threw this damn shit away. Pump this. As you can see, the fluid's going in. This is my first bottle. We'll take 2 bottles. So we'll go ahead and pump this until it starts overflowing. This is so much easier than trying to do it by hand. Cost $12.99. This pump. Let's get to half. I had one, and to be honest, I don't know what the fuck happened to it. Probably left it outside because it had oil in it, so it can drain out. And I might have accidentally threw it in the trash. No, it can't be this full. Let's take at least 2. I don't want to bore you with this, so let me just put you on pause here. Another YouTube. Alright, I finished filling it up. Hopefully there'll be no leaks. I'm going to take it out and wash it. And I just got to clean up the mess, as you can see. Tools and everything else that you need. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe. I'm sorry I haven't posted anything up for a while from the Jeeps. But I have more projects now that the weather's getting nice and cooler. Once again, thank you for watching.